Good morning, sports fans. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, coming to you from Marco Island. Another beautiful day in Southwest Florida. Sun's just coming up over the palm trees. It's Tuesday, August 31st. I talked to you yesterday about statistics, average sale price, average list price, year over year, average sale price up 29%. Some people think that's a lot. It is. That's a good jump. You know what else is a big number? Inventory. In that time frame, inventory is down 80%. Went from about 1,000 properties on the MLS to about 200 on the MLS. Huge jump. I was thinking about a book that I've read many times called The One Thing by Gary Keller of Keller Williams. There's many factors that are guiding our prices today in this market, but the one thing, inventory. Keep an eye on inventory. That's going to continue to tell our story in this market. Mike Skudnick with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. Make it a great day.